Hey, good evening. Let's start our class. Sorry to force you to go to the class. I know this is holiday. Uh, okay, let me share the screen first. Where is the entire screen? Okay, okay. Hope you can see my screen. I increase my voice a little bit. Okay, first thing first. Uh, in my class, you can do the exam starting from now. My quiz, not the whole exam. So the total grades, the total mark will be combined between me and Professor Wiranto. So my will be around half of the mark, and Professor Wiranto is another half. Okay, so my part, you can get the mark from doing the exam, from doing the quiz. Please enroll to opencourse.itts.ac.id. Let me, it's wrong. Okay, okay, okay. Am I, uh, can you see my screen? Let me see.
Yes, we can, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So, okay, please enroll to, please create an account, sign in opencourse.itts.ac.id, and find Control F, the actual course. The keyword is 2025 minus 3. Okay, so this is your actual course. PU 2025 minus 3 Big Data Analysis. Click this one. Okay, if you click that one, on the right hand side, I think there is an option to enroll. Please enroll. The enrollment key is PU Papa United 2025. I think that's the key. PU 2025, enroll. And then there's a quiz here. You can do the quiz as many times as you like. And I will take the highest grade. Okay. So no limit how many times you do the quiz. You can do the quiz as many times as you like. If you can get 90 within like 1 week, that's fine. You can skip my class. Don't worry about that. Okay. So if within 1 week you can get 90, I don't care. You can skip my class. Uh, I'm not really a fan of attendance list and so on. So okay, but if not, you can do your quiz as many times as you like. Let me give you some ID. I think no one enrolled to the class right now, so I click participants here. So right now there is two. Okay, so there are 2%. Besides me, there are 2% now enrolled to the class. So make sure you enroll to the correct class. Okay. So the quiz is very simple. Let's just do the quiz like this, and then you can attempt as many times as you like. Continue live preview. You can see something like this, and then how many images is this in it? You can click whatever. Okay. What is the training set of machine learning? You can click the right ones. Okay, so that's the quiz. You can do as many times as you like. And then what else? This is the quiz. So this is not complete. The complete, so the knowledge here is not complete. The complete one is here, this one. So this one is for doing the quiz only. This is the important one. If you like to see the actual course, the actual knowledge, you click this one, My Courses, and there is another one, Big Data and Data Analysis. It's called Open Course. Yours is this one. Where is it? This one. This is yours. 2025 minus 3, Big Data Data Analysis. This is yours. And the complete one is this one. Okay, Open Course. This is the complete one. Let me give you some idea here. So we have Big Data. Okay, and Data Science here. And then, okay, I give you some preview on what kind of material I will run for this class. So I will talk a little bit about this too. I will focus on the skill. I'm not really focusing on the concept and the theory. So if you like to read or see the concept and theory, you can read this one. What is data set? And this one, orange, until this one, I use this tool, Orange Data Mining. So, okay. So this one is the important one, because using Orange Data Mining, you can learn very easy how to do machine learning, deep learning, this kind of stuff. So this is Orange Data Mining. You can download. It's free, no license. You can install in Windows. You can install in Mac OS. You can install in what else? Linux and so on. I personally use Linux. So this is one of the two. Okay. The other one is, so this is Orange. I will skip R, so I will not touch R. The material on R is there, but I will not touch R. And then I will skip into Python. Okay, a little bit, because I think the other professor will teach you about Python and stuff like that. So I will. I'm more leaning towards Orange, because Orange is quite simple, and the important one is not the syntax, the ability to write the code. The more important is the what's that? The not the knowledge, the understanding of the problem and so on. And Orange is very easy to implement things, because you are not you don't have to worry about the syntax and so on. In Python, it's more difficult. Okay, so I will give some preview on Python, and also TensorFlow and Keras. Okay, now for today, I may talk about this one, LLM, process mining, maybe a little bit on web scraping, but I will mostly talk about LLM, so I will skip to LLM for today, and process mining, maybe if I have some times. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to give you. Most of them will be from a practical point of view. It's not from the theoretical point of view. In fact, my LLM is large language model, is like, if you understand ChatGPT, that's one of the example of LLM. But in this class, I will try to introduce you how to build one, to make your own. Okay. Oh yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to type it in the chat box. Let me see if I can see the chat box. Okay, close this one. Okay, this is the chat box. Oops. Okay, so if you have any questions, put it in the chat box. So I will check the question in chat box. So So one of the aim for today, I will try to show you how to install LLM. So maybe after the Maghrib prayer, I will. So sorry, between 6 and 6:15, we'll take a break, 15 minutes break, because we have to pray. So 15 minutes break between 6 to 6 to 15. Okay. So I have 15 minutes more. Okay. So for today, I will show this one. So maybe I will show it a little bit. Oh yeah, more materials. So that's the overview of the course. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is the one. So basically, I will review a little bit on data science, big data, very little. I will not go deep into it. And then a little bit on the data set. And then Orange, a lot. I will spend like three or yeah, around 3 or 4 meetings for Orange, okay, from different angle. And then Python, and then mostly using Google Colab. TensorFlow class will be included in the Python classes. Maybe only 1 or 2 meetings on Python. On today will be LLM process mining. I hope I have some time for process mining. Okay. Now, for the materials, let me see. You can download my. Oh, okay. For those who are not familiar with AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on, me and my colleague at the Institute of Technology in Tangerang Selatan, we write books on AI free. But this one is not for graduate students. This one is for high school. Okay, it's free for junior high school and senior high school. In fact, yesterday, yeah, I think yesterday we just finished writing books AI and coding for primary school. We will release the books for free, maybe in 2-3 days. Okay, because my colleague is still layouting the cover for the books. For AI, for junior high school and high school, this is in Indonesian language. You can read or download. This is 7th class, semester 1, 7 class, semester 2, 8, semester 1, 8, semester 2, and so on. This is the junior high school. And then this is the senior high school. Okay. In senior high school, actually, we introduce Orange for the students. So the tool I will use for graduate studies is actually will be introduced for high school as well. Okay, so for high school we introduce Orange. Actually, Orange is used heavily in my undergraduate program. Okay, sorry. So the tool is actually used from high school to graduate studies. Okay. And this one is a book for teacher, for kindergarten, primary school, junior high school, and senior high school. The handbook for AI can be downloaded from here as well. So these are in Indonesian language. Okay, it's free. You are welcome to download. You are welcome to share with as many people as you like. Okay, so this is cool. For those who are not familiar with AI, machine learning, and so on, I encourage you to use this kind of tools. Okay, just to give you some example, we use a lot of Google Teachable Machine. This is for junior high school actually. This Google Teachable Machine is a tool the student can learn how the machine learning works. Okay, so basically in machine learning we can generate our own data set. So the data set so the machine teach. So we teach the machine using webcam. So we create our own data set. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I. So okay, there are three projects here. One project on image, audio, or pose. So on image, we need to teach the machine on using webcam. For audio, we can teach the machine using microphone, mic, and for pose also webcam, but for longer distance. Okay, so after teaching the machine, we can save the model, and then based on the model, we can check whether it correctly classify our pictures or audio or pose. In the book, in the high school book, we also encourage the student to write application in smartphone, in their Android phone, and use this model as a reference. So basically, we use the smartphone webcam to take the pictures, and the application will decide what kind of classification of this pictures. For example, this one is the dog, and this one is the face of the girl, the owner. So whether it's it's correctly classify whether this is a dog face or the girl face, something like that. Okay. Okay, for the so it's in the book. You can read how things. So it's very easy. It's more fun. In my class, it's not as fun as the high school book. It's more serious. This one is more fun. This is for students, right? Okay. So this is example. The other example for coding, we use App Inventor 2, including how to do the AI things. Okay, so this is for students. Okay, so this is in the book. Oh, oops, I have to log in. I have to sign in using continue. Okay. So I give you some overview of what can if you want to learn coding and so on. So this is how to code in phone. So it's in the book, in the high school books. And how to code, you can see this one. This is the front end design. On the back end, we can use block and we can create the code, something like this. For AI things, we have extension here. I think I have, okay. I have not import the extension. We need to import the extension so it will recognize the model generated by Google Teachable Machine, or it has like personal image classifier or something like that in the App Inventor. So that's to give some idea what kind of thing you can actually learn from the books for the junior high school and senior high school. Okay, now in my websites s.id/free OWP ebooks, I will put it in the chat box. Wow.
Iya, tapi nggak on cam. Enggak.
So okay,
Kan nggak wajib atau
in my websites, in the s.id/free
santai aja.
OWP ebooks, okay, you can see many things here. So I click this one. Okay, you can download the books also from here as well. Actually, the books for high school is from here. But actually in this one, there are a lot of books on AI.
Di atas biasanya ada hewan-hewan, kucing. Enggak, sekarang nggak ada.
Wow. I think Ade is forget to close his mic. Anyway, okay. So
Karena udah nggak ada ya.
for
Kurang laku kali.
so a lot of AI
Kurang
books
laku
here.
kali.
For example, AI for teachers. Let me see. The most important one is this one.
Itu bagus buat jaket.
Okay. Let me see. The English version is artificial intelligence.
Ya orang ke mall buat makan.
Okay, this one. This book is Artificial Intelligence Foundation and Strategic Opportunity for Future of Timor-Leste. So this is actually the more strategic book or more policy book or technology policy book for AI. This is for Timor-Leste. I was invited by Ministry of Education in Timor-Leste, and then I have to give the presentation in the presidential palace with the president of Timor-Leste, Ramos Horta there. And then this is the strategy we need to set for Timor-Leste so they can adopt, they can maximize AI in the country. So it's there, you can read. Basically, we need to focus on human resource. The second one is we need to set up the ecosystem using open source. So one of the example is the book I mentioned for the students, including Orange data mining. It's actually open source software. For AI, more deep AI things. Let me see. I have a book on AI. This one is more on. This one is more on AI for cybersecurity, securing AI. This is not cybersecurity. This is securing AI. How to secure AI? Okay, you are welcome to read. This topics was asked by the Badan Cyber Sandi Negara, the national body for cyber security in Indonesia. So they actually ask how to securing AI. Okay. So you can read that one. Let me see if I can find something as well. This one, AI in cybersecurity. Okay. This is different topics. This is how to use AI for penetration test, how to use
Bisa
AI
mata kuliah
for
opsional, boleh datang
cybersecurity
boleh
and so on.
enggak.
Okay. Let me see.
Kan dari PU-nya bilang nggak ada
Okay,
kuliah.
this one. This actually
Mana tadi?
the book for this course.
LG ya?
Okay, let me see. The keyword
Mana
is
kali ya?
buku pegangan implementasi artificial intelligence. Okay, this actually the
Kita
book for this
patokannya
course.
tadi
This book was can somebody tell Ade to
mau nanya parkiran motor keluar gimana ya?
Parkiran motor yang di luar sebelah sini, Pak.
Oh sini.
Ya.
Lurus.
got to turn off the microphone.
Benar
Anyway,
sini yang.
so so this book's actually exactly the material is very similar to this course, okay, except for not except
Dapat
at
ya?
least when I wrote this book, the large language model is still, we are still playing around with large language model.
Udah.
So not much material on large language model.
Apa?
on
Kan
this one.
kamu.
Okay, but if you read this is about around 260 pages books.
Kita kan tiap hari.
This books is aimed for
Kalau nganter anak-anak.
machine learning and big data, especially in forecasting, because this book is actually asked by the government agency, the ministry. They have a lot of data and they are trying to play around, trying to know what can they do with their data. So this is the book actually. Let me see. So this one, prediction, data prediction. It tells you how to do how the prediction process is done. Yeah. Okay. One of them is on data on small medium enterprises, how to analyze small medium enterprises, and all of this thing is using. So we are using Orange for this one. Okay. Of course, at the end, I think I introduce also Python somewhere. Oh, this is for process mining. This is process mining, and this one little bit on generative AI or LLM. Okay. Oh, this one is Python. Okay. Okay. Wow. It's Maghrib already. Okay, let me see if I miss anything. So basically, this is the book. Oh, for those who are interested to, so these are freely available on the internet. You can download the books for free. And then if you like to have, to copy my library, you are welcome to copy my library. You can check this website. I will post it in the, I will post this in the chat box. Let me see. Ebooks. Oops. Advanced. Okay. Okay. So the keyword is ebooks. And then at the end here, you see Ono Center ebooks. This is how to, if you want to copy my library, you are welcome to send your hard disk. It can be 500 gigabyte or a couple of terabyte. This is my address in Jakarta. Okay, so you can screenshot this one if you like. Okay, so send your disk, and then I can copy my ebooks. Okay, I put it in the chat box, the URL. Okay, now what kind of ebooks you can get? Let me see if I can. Okay, I make it bigger. So I'm not using Windows, I use Linux a lot. Okay, as I switch to my server, this is my library. Right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm in my library. Var data library 2 books. Okay. So this is the books. Okay. So this is the books. For example, we want to see artificial intelligence. We want to check for large language model books. And these are the LLM books in my library, for example. So if you give me like 200 gigabyte disk, you can copy all of this. Let me show you a little bit how the book looks like. Var data library 2 books artificial intelligence. Here, this one. Let me see. If you want to see a certain books, you can type it in chat box. Let me see. Okay, please type in your chat box what kind of topic or books you want to read. So I can search whether no? Okay. I'll show you a little bit. So these are the books on AI in my library. For example, I already show you the large language model books here. Okay, let me see if I can here. NLP, LLM, ChatGPT, mastering natural language, bridge large language model, understanding ChatGPT, that kind of thing. So these are, let me see if I can. So you can see this kind of books. Okay. Okay. So you are welcome to copy all of this and play around with these things. For AI itself, let me see. how much space you need for AI. There are 3 folders actually. AI is only 66 gigabyte. That science is about 62 gigabytes. And then there is another folder related to this is data mining, only 10 gig. Okay, if you like to books on cybersecurity around 30 gigabytes. So AI is quite a lot, around 120 or something gigabyte. Okay, so we will break for like 15 minutes. I will be back at 18:15. Okay. So I have to take a Maghrib prayer, and 18:15 we'll continue the class again. Okay. Thank you.